For some reason, just completely stopped dead then, my recording. Still 10th of April. I'm just cycling all the way down to Sainbury. A long way around, so get a bit of the countryside as well for you guys and girls. I should have about 70% left on that, on the GoPro. Cheers, thank you. So my little bell rings. It's actually working really good. I was going to bring out my 360-degree one and put it on top of my head, on top of my helmet. But I'm using the GoPro 7, Hero 7. 24-bit, or 24 frames per second, 4K at super view. I think stabilization's on, I think it's like sort of auto or something, so hopefully it should keep it nice and straight. Hopefully no jumping around, might be though, I don't know, at 24-bit frames per second. Nice trees there. Right, got my little bowler. Just gives people a heads up. Oh, cheers, thank you. Oh, smells of camel shit. Literally. Wonder if the animals are out today. No, don't look like it. Nice day though, definitely a nice sunny day. Right. Ooh. That little river looks a bit mucky and all of that. Absolutely mucky. See how many people were on the road today. I bet there's absolutely